car LED strip lights. Ever wanted to add some excitement to your car's interior? Look no further. Car LED strip lights are here to take your ride to the next level. Want to change the vibe? Use the remote control to choose from a variety of colors and brightness levels. And here's the kicker. Sync them with your music for an epic light show that'll leave your passengers in awe. Installation? A breeze. Just attach them under your dashboard and plug into your car's cigarette lighter. Plus, with the 12-volt 2-amp car charger, no need to worry about battery drain. Elevate your ride style for only $23. Adakiit Car Emergency Kit. Have you ever wondered what to do in a car emergency situation? Meet the Adakiit Car Emergency Kit, your ultimate road companion. This versatile kit, compatible with most car models, provides a safety net for those unforeseen situations on the road. It's packed with essentials like a comprehensive first aid kit, reliable jumper cables, a high-tensile tow strap, a window breaker, a warning triangle, work gloves, a durable tow rope, and a powerful LED flashlight. And the best part? It's all neatly packed into a compact bag for just $30. Stay prepared and stay safe with the Adakiit Car Emergency Kit. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. Do you find it difficult to clean the inside of your car's windshield? Introducing the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, your solution to hassle-free windshield cleaning. This handy gadget includes 2 washable and reusable cloth pad heads, an extendable handle, and a convenient spray bottle for auto glass. The extendable aluminum handle features a pivoting 180-degree triangular swivel head, constructed from high-quality plastic for durability. With its ergonomic handle, you can easily reach those hard-to-access window bases. Say goodbye to streaks and smudges on your windshield. Get your car's windows shining like new with the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, available for just $14. Claw Wheel Clamp. Is your vehicle's safety a top priority? Introducing the Claw Wheel Clamp, the ultimate guardian for your car. Crafted from high-density alloy steel with full welding, it's built for unbeatable durability. Installation is a breeze. Simply adjust it to the right hole, and it self-locks. This universal clamp fits 7 to 11-inch width tires on most vehicles, significantly reducing the risk of theft and ensuring your car's safety. Its eye-catching black and yellow design deters thieves day and night. Don't compromise on security. Get the Claw Wheel Clamp for just $31. ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit. Ever wondered what to do when your windshield wiper blades are worn out? Say hello to the ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit, your essential companion for safer driving. This nifty accessory should find a permanent spot in your glove box, ready for action when your wipers start streaking. With the included trimmer, a few easy moves are all it takes to sharpen those blades, ensuring clear visibility on the road. Not only does this kit keep you safe, but it also contributes to environmental protection by extending your wiper blade's lifespan up to 3 times. Don't compromise on safety. Get your ATG Windshield Wiper Repair Kit today for just $20. Shappon Wireless Carplay Adapter. Looking to revolutionize your car's infotainment system? Meet the Shappon Wireless CarPlay Adapter and Wireless Android Auto Car Adapter, cutting-edge devices delivering seamless connectivity to your vehicle. These innovative dongles provide all the perks of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without the cable hassle. Compatible with a range of car systems, they harness the latest wireless technology for a stable smartphone to infotainment link. Plug the dongle into your USB port, and you're good to go. Cut the cable clutter and enjoy effortless phone connections during your commute, road trips, or errands. Elevate your driving experience with these advanced adapters for just $79.99. JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer. Ever wished for a clutter-free car interior? Introducing the JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer, your ultimate storage solution. With its high-capacity design, this seat back pouch keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. From tablets to water bottles and snacks, it has a place for it all. Crafted from luxurious suede, It adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Say goodbye to the chaos and hello to the JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer for just $40. Keep your car tidy and your essentials within arm's reach with a JEYODA Car Suede Seat Organizer. Car Cigarette Ashtray Cup. Looking for a convenient car ashtray that also adds style to your interior? Check out this sleek car cigarette ashtray cup. It's built to last, fits most car cup holders, and has a smart design with a dedicated holder for cigarettes. Plus, the rubber ring inside the lid keeps odors at bay. But what sets it apart is the built-in backlight, adding a touch of sophistication to your car's interior. For just $12, you can enjoy a cleaner and more stylish way to deal with ash on the go. 4-channel dash cam. Ready to transform your driving safety? Say hello to the 4-channel dash cam, your all-in-one road companion. With 4 cameras, it offers a complete 360-degree view, capturing every crucial detail. The front and side cameras team up seamlessly, while the cabin cameras provide versatile recording angles, even rotating 180 and 360 degrees. Installing it is a breeze, and it doesn't just deliver clear footage, its image quality surpasses other dash cams. All this for just $190. Car Cup Expander. Tired of juggling drinks, snacks, and essentials while driving? Meet the Car Cup Expander with a tray. This ingenious gadget is your ultimate driving companion. Its 360-degree rotatable tray lets you find the perfect position, and the anti-shaking spring plate and U-shaped groove keep your beverages secure, whether it's a large bottle or a mug with a handle. What's more, it's a multitasker. Use the tray to store your phone, keys, or even makeup. It's like having a mini table in your car. When you're done, just remove it and stow it away until your next adventure. Say goodbye to car clutter for just $34. Coransi Handheld Car. Looking for the ultimate car cleaning solution? Meet the Coransi Handheld Car Vacuum Cordless, a game changer in car maintenance. This 2-in-1 portable vacuum and air duster combo redefines versatility and convenience. With robust suction power, it effortlessly banishes dirt and debris from every car nook and cranny. No cords, no limits. Enjoy unrestricted movement with its cordless design. But what sets it apart is the air duster function. Blast away stubborn dust and dirt without harm. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a busy individual, this $69.99 tool keeps your car spotless and inviting for every journey. Kurgo Direct to Seatbelt Tether. Got a furry co-pilot in your car? Meet the Kurgo Direct to Seatbelt Tether, a game changer for safer and less distracting drives. Just attach it to your pup's harness, and it clicks right into your car's seatbelt. No more fumbling with seatbelts every time your dog hops in or out. You can enjoy a relaxing drive, knowing you and your 4-legged friend are cruising safely and conveniently. Grab yours for just $30. Mila Finder Locator. Ever lose your car keys? Meet the Mila Finder Locator. This nifty device uses receivers or tags you attach to your keys and a remote controller to emit a loud sound, helping you find them fast. With a range that extends across rooms or even outdoors, you'll never have to search for your keys again. Some models even have bonus features, like flashing lights or smartphone compatibility. Don't let lost keys slow you down. Get the Mila Finder Locator on Amazon for just $20 and never play hide and seek with your keys again. Vicseed Universal Phone Mount. Looking for a universal phone holder for your car? Check out the Vicseed Universal Phone Mount. This multifunctional mount can be easily attached to your dashboard, windshield, or air vent, offering flexibility in how you use it. With its upgraded super strong, sticky suction cup and a 2-step lock mechanism, it provides exceptional suction power, keeping your phone securely in place. What's more, it boasts a sleek and unobtrusive design, taking up only 30% less space than other car phone holders, ensuring it won't obstruct your view of the road or your car's airflow. Plus, the silicone padding on the clamp arms and foot keeps your device safe from scratches. Get yours for just $28. Voyo Advanced OBD2. Introducing Voyo, the advanced OBD2 tracker that takes your car to the next level. With compatibility for vehicles from 1996 onwards, this device provides in-depth diagnostics, precise location tracking, and comprehensive trip data. You'll receive 18 alerts, keeping you updated on your car's health and safety. No contracts or monthly fees to worry about here. Voyo's user-friendly dashboard allows you to manage multiple devices effortlessly, making it perfect for families or fleet managers. Experience seamless integration and powerful features. Elevate your car's performance and stay connected like never before. Get Voyo for just $100 and drive with confidence. Ougether Car Headrest Fan. Do you dread sweaty drives on scorching summer days? Say hello to the Ougether Car Headrest Fan. This cooling fan is your savior, equipped with 3 adjustable wind speeds for your comfort. It securely attaches to your headrest rod with an adjustable strap, ensuring it stays in place. Simply plug it into a USB port, customize your settings, and enjoy a cool and comfortable ride. Get yours for just $24. Faizjunben Roasted. Have you ever heard of Faizjunben Roasted blue carbon fiber? It's not your average car accessory. This is a top-notch carbon fiber exhaust tip designed to elevate your car's appearance. Faizjunben, known for quality, offers the roasted blue option, adding a sporty and unique touch to your vehicle's rear end. You can find this premium product online. But remember, it's essential to check compatibility with your car model and consider professional installation. Elevate your car's style with Faizjunben Roasted blue carbon fiber for just $48. Portable Vehicle Support Handle. Need help getting in and out of your car? Introducing the Portable Vehicle Support Handle, a game changer for seniors, expectant mothers, and anyone needing assistance. This innovative car door assist bar is made from high-quality materials, supporting up to 300 pounds. Easy to install on any vehicle with a door hook. It measures 6.5 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. With various color options to match your car's interior, this handle blends seamlessly while providing essential support. Don't miss out. Grab yours for just $25. Ztylus Stinger Plus Escape Tool. Introducing the Ztylus Stinger Plus Escape Tool, your ultimate safety companion on the road. This compact device is a lifesaver during emergencies. It features a dual-purpose hardened stainless steel tip that can shatter car windows in case of accidents, ensuring a quick and safe escape when traditional exits aren't an option. Additionally, it includes a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, preventing entanglement and providing another means of escape. But that's not all. It also boasts 2 USB ports for charging devices, keeping you connected when you need it most. For just $25, the Ztylus Stinger Plus offers peace of mind to drivers and passengers alike. Stay safe, stay prepared with a Stinger Plus escape tool. THD Car Door Step. The THD Car Door Step, or overlanding gear, is your ultimate solution for easy rooftop access. This multifunctional doorstep is perfect for loading and securing cargo bags, racks, and more on your car's roof. It's compact, foldable, and fits most vehicles, making it a versatile addition. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's sturdy and secure, holding up to 510 pounds. The non-slip surface ensures safety in all weather conditions. Easily attachable to door latch hooks, it provides stable support for rooftop tasks. With 5 gear adjustments, it accommodates various vehicle heights. Get yours for just $27 and make rooftop access a breeze. Karltys Steering Wheel Cover. The Karltys Steering Wheel Cover is a premium car accessory crafted to elevate your driving experience. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, it not only adds a touch of sporty elegance, but also ensures long-lasting durability. This material is renowned for its lightweight, heat-resistant, and robust properties, making it ideal for enhancing both style and performance.
Designed to fit most standard steering wheels, its inner lining offers a comfortable, breathable grip, even during extended drives or in hot conditions. With a non-slip design, it stays securely in place. Plus, it comes in various colors and textures like black, sapphire blue, and red, allowing you to match your car's interior or express your personal style. Elevate your driving experience for just $19.
XOOL electric car fans. Wondering how to beat the summer heat on those long road trips? Look no further than XOOL electric car fans. Tailor-made for rear seat passengers, these portable fans are a game changer when temperatures soar. With a 360-degree rotatable design, you can direct the breeze precisely where you want it. Powered by your car's 12-volt outlet, they guarantee a consistent and refreshing airflow. Plus, installation is a breeze. Don't let the heat get to you. Stay cool and comfortable for just $28.
FanRuiqi Car Headrest. The FanRuiqi Car Headrest and Lumbar Support Pillow Set is your ultimate car comfort companion. Designed for relaxation during car journeys, this set includes an adjustable headrest and a vibrating lumbar support pillow. The headrest offers customizable height and angle options, ensuring optimal neck and spine alignment for fatigue-free long drives. It even has vibrating motors for a soothing massage-like experience for your lower back. The lumbar support pillow fits perfectly on car seats, providing targeted support to the lower back to alleviate discomfort during extended sitting. Crafted from durable materials, it's suitable for various car seats, promising a snug fit. Elevate your driving experience with this comfort and support combo for just $75.65.